Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another one. If you're new, make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, tell me what you think. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of this hieha jump starter slash air inflator. So I just got it today. I had bought it like last week from off the TikTok shop. I know a lot of people be on that app, and they be having some good stuff, and I just wanted to try out and see how this one is going to hold me down, because my other tire inflator failed. Well, the first one, the one that actually you got to plug in to the cigarette lighter, that one failed. It stopped working all of a sudden. I still have my other one, but yeah. But anyways, let's get into it. Got it right here, USPS shipping. Flip my camera around. So here we are. And you already know, your boy is down here in the garage. Got my little knife right here. I had turned it around due to my information is on the box, name and everything is on the box, so that's why I basically turn the box around. Usually I'll do it from the front, but you know how that goes. Hope you guys enjoying y'all beautiful Tuesday. I know Tuesday be like a slow day, be like a relaxed day and everything, so yeah. Oh, you don't wanna come out of the box, guys. They don't wanna come out. Don't wanna come out of the box. Out of the box. Out of the box. Alright. So this right here feels like the casing, and it should be rechargeable. I don't think I bought anything with cord, you feel me? So most likely it's rechargeable. Alright guys, I thought it was like actually bigger too. So it's not bad, pretty lightweight. Small enough, Alright, so here's all the cords and stuff. The jump box cord, positive, negative, all between here, and also have like the USB cord right here, USB cord, and probably the charger most likely too, that you could charge it up inside your car or at home, and all the different sizes, whatever you want to inflate right here. Hopefully you guys could see. You guys see basketball, soccer ball, your tires for your car, for the truck, whatever. And you already know this is where you connect to. Most likely it's light up when you connect it and everything. Cables, positive cable and your negative cable. And of course they put a little manual in there as well. People don't know how it works. Whatever the case is, you have the manual tell you everything, what everything means, how it works. You have the PSI, the bar, the KPA. I always use PSI because that's what we use here for inflating the tire. How much PSI air basically go inside the tire. Open up the manual. This is how it looks. Yeah. Alright, that's the boring part. I never really care about the manual. I never oh yeah, can't forget about the part for the inflator, the inflator part. And I like these types. I like this type that's when you push in, basically push in, and then you bring it down, it locks. So I like this piece right here. I don't like the one that you screw on. That one is more better. Anyways, let's get to the big boy. Let's get to the box itself, see how it looks. Let me turn that box around. Alright. Here it is. You can hold it like one of those old school radios. Remember back then? Back in the days? Yeah. You have a paper that's in the thing that you could peel it. But I'm going to leave it. There's no point of me peeling it. I could leave it. Power button. So you can see everything is digital. And I like the way that it's already set on PSI. And of course you probably could. It have an LED light as well. So most likely it's pretty bright, huh? Yeah, pretty bright. And comes with another flashing one, a blue one. Back to the white one. Hold it down. It turns off. What I don't notice is the battery level. Like right there where the battery level is supposed to be. I'm not sure why it's not showing. I guess when it start dropping it'll show. I don't know, but I'm gonna play with it, mess with it and see. Yeah, I'm gonna play with it and mess with it and see. But this is the button that you press to switch if you're gonna do a car, a bicycle, a motorcycle. Of course, got to be PSI, and the basketball as well. So, and these are the numbers. How much PSI you recommend to go inside the tire. So yeah, good stuff. And then the power button once again. Press to hold it down. I wonder how you switch to the bar and the other. Do you have to hold this down to switch to it? Yep. So you hold this down to go to the bar. Hold it down again to go to KPA. Hold it down to go to the last one down there. I don't know, KG/CM. But the one that I know is the PSI. So you could put it up, how much air you want to put into your tire. Whatever your tire is recommended to inflate is up to you. Mine's for my car is 36. I can't remember how much is for the Lexus, but for my car it's like 36 PSI. But yeah guys, what you guys think about this quick unboxing? Hope you guys enjoy it. Now make sure you hit that like, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let me know. I don't even know what is supposed to be back here. I don't know. I don't know what they say. They say anything. Start voltage 12 volts. Lifespan 1000 times. Input output made in China. Of course, I'm not even surprised. Trying to make everything. Can't get mad at China. Alright, so right here is where you basically screw in the air. You screw that in for the air on that side, and for this side, this is where I'm guessing where you plug in the USB. You could most likely probably charge your phone, and you could charge the device as well. And right here is where you connect the jump starter side, which is right here where you plug it in. Feel me? If it don't fit, you just turn it the other way. So most likely it's probably this way. I'm trying to do it with one hand, guys. Yep. And it lit up. So yeah guys, it lit up. Good stuff. So that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. Peace, bye bye, take care, and God bless. Until I upload another one, leave a comment, tell me what you think. I had basically got this for like 28 bucks if you guys wanted the price. They have different types, they have different ones. They got a lot of them that they're selling right now. A lot of them is on sale. I don't know if the sale ended, but I had got this one for like 28 bucks. Some of them you're going to be getting like 35, some 32, 34. You know, it's different prices, but I did got it off of the I did get it off of the TikTok shop. So check it out if you have TikTok. I know you guys know that they sell a lot of different products, good products as well. You know, make sure you read the reviews and everything and check it out. You know, 28 bucks, you can't go wrong. If I get a flat tire or I'm low on air, I could just put some air in there. If I need to jump or need to help somebody out with to jump start their car, hey, I don't have to use my car. You don't have to do it old school no more, because when you do it old school to try to jump somebody else's vehicle, it pulls power from your vehicle, from your battery. So it's better to have one of these. You use this and you don't care. You just, you know, charge it back up. You're good to go. Get things done. But yeah, guys, peace, bye bye, take care, and God bless. Tell me what you think.